Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. And today I am going to start S. Chand book class 8 exercise 5A. From a lots of requests from one of my subscriber, so I am going to start this chapter. Okay, now 90% of this book already solved in my channel. So if you want to see it, just check the description box. The full playlist link will be there. Okay, so here in exercise 5A, number 1, chapter is playing with numbers. The sum of the digit of two-digit number. Okay, so the two-digit number, the sum of the digits that equal to 9. So suppose here the unit digit and the 10th digit. It's a two-digit place. So suppose the unit digit be x, then the 10th digit will be 9 minus x. Why? As the two digit, the addition of the two digit or the sum of the two digits that equal to 9. So if the unit one will be x, then the 10th one will be 9 minus x. So the number will be 10 into 9 minus x plus x. Why this? Because as you know, suppose 42 is a number. Okay, so the construction of this number will be 4 into 10 plus 2. That means every time we multiply 10 with the 10th place. Every time we multiply 10 with the 10th place. So here the digit equal to in 10th place, that is 9 minus x. So that's why I multiply here 10 with the 10th place digit plus the unit place as plus 2. So now 90 minus 10x plus x, that equal to 90 minus 9. So 90 minus 9x is the two-digit number. Now according to the problem, the number is 6 times of the unit digit. So here the number 90 minus 9x and 6 times of the unit digit. Unit digit is x. So 6 into x. So 90 equal to 9x plus 6x, that equal to 15x. So x equal to 90 by 15. So that equal to 6. Okay, that means here x equal to 6. So if x equal to 6, then unit place equal to 6 and 10th place equal to 3. So the number will be 36. The number will be 36. Now sum number 2. The sum of the digit of a two-digit number is 7. If the digit are reversed, the new number increase by 3 less than 4 times of the original number. Okay, so as same as the previous one. So here this one equal to x and addition equal to 7. So this one equal to 7 minus x. So the original number will be 10 into 7 minus x plus x. So 70 minus 10x plus x. So 70 minus 9x. Now if you reverse this number, that means this one equal to here and this one equal to here. So the reversed number, equal to 10 into now x plus 7 minus x. So 10x plus 7 minus x, so that equal to 9x plus 7. Okay, so this is the original number and this is the reverse number. Now the condition is the new number increased by 3 less than 4 times of the original number. Okay, now if the new number increased by 3, so that means 9x plus 7, it's increased by 3 and it's less than 4 times. Increased by 3 less than 4 times the original number. So that means that if you increase the new number by 3, then it will be the 4 times of the previous number. That means the original number. Okay, so that means here 9x and 3 plus 7, 10. So it will be 280 and that is 36. Now first you have to add 9x plus 36. That means 36 plus 9, it will be 45. So 45x and here 280 minus 10, that means 270. Okay, so now 270 divided by 45 and that equal to 6. So here x equal to 6. Okay, so the number will be, if this one equal to 6 and this one equal to 6, 7 minus 6, so 1, so number will be 16. So 16 is the answer. Now sum number 3. So in sum number 3, the sum of a number of 2 digits and of the number formed by the reversing the digit is 110. Okay, the difference of the digit is 6. Okay, so here unit and 10th place. So if here unit equal to x and the difference of the digit, so this one equal to x plus 6. Why x plus 6? As the difference of the two digit that equal to 6. So here if you x plus 6 minus x, it will be only 6. That means 6 is the difference. So the number will be x plus 6 into 10 plus x. So that equal to 10x plus 60 plus x. So 11x plus 60 is the original number. Okay, now you have to form the reverse number also. So reversed number equal to 10 into x plus x plus 6. So here also 11x plus 6. This is the reverse number. Now here the condition, the sum of a number of 2 digit and of the number formed by reversing that equal to 110. So it will be 11x plus 60, then 11x plus 6 that equal to 110 according to the problem. So it will be 22x plus 66 that equal to 110. So 22x that equal to 110 minus 66 and that equal to 44. So that means here x equal to 2. So if x equal to 2, then this one equal to 2 plus 6, 8. So the number will be 82. Now here I just want to tell you that here the answer may be vary, because as I here let the unit place as 6 and 10th place as x plus 6, but you can also let the 10th place as x and unit place as x plus 6. So might be your answer will be 28. Okay, both are correct. If the answer will be 82 or the 28, both answer will be correct. The fourth one, a certain number between 10 to 100. Okay, so in between 10 to 100, that means here the number is a 2-digit number. Okay, and it's 8 times the sum of its digit. Now I don't know the digit, so suppose here the unit digit and the 10th digit. 10th digit will be b and unit digit as a. So the number will be 10b plus a. So 10b plus a is the 2-digit number in between 10 to 100. Okay, and a certain number between this one is 8 times of the, so it will be 10b plus a, that is the 8 times of the addition of their digit, but sum of their digit. Okay, this one. So this is the first condition, and the next condition is if 45 be subtracted from it, that means 10b plus a. If you subtract 45 from the number, then the digit will be reversed. Okay, reverse means, that means here a will be here and b will be there. Okay, so that means 10a plus b. Okay, so these are the two conditions. Now I'm going to solve this one. So it will be 10b plus a and here 8a plus 8b. So that means 8b minus it will be 2b and 8a minus a, that equal to 7a. Okay, and here 10b plus a minus 45, that equal to 10a plus b. 10b minus b, it's 9b. So 9b minus 45, that equal to 9a. Clear? So here 9b minus 9a, that equal to 45. If 9 will be common, so it becomes b minus a 45. So b minus a equal to 5. Okay, so b minus a equal to 5. Now here b equal to a plus 5. B equal to a plus 5. So as here 2b, that means 2 into a plus 5. Instead of b, you can write down the value of b, that is a plus 5. So it will be 2a plus 10, that equal to 7a. That means 10 equal to 7 minus 2a, so it's 5a. So here a equal to 2. So if a equal to 2, then b equal to a plus 2, that means 7. Okay, so the number will be 7 and 2, that means 72. So 72 is your answer. Now sum number 5. This is the last sum in this exercise. So I hope you like my video. Please share this video. So here a number consists of 3 digits. Remember, a number consists of 3 digits. Okay, so suppose the number will be 100 into A, 10 into B plus C. Okay, so that means here 10A plus 10B plus C, that means C is the unit place, B is the digit of 10th place, and A is the digit of the 100th place. So that is the number. Now the right hand digit being 0, that means C is 0. Okay, so now the number will be 100A plus 10B, as C equal to 0 because the right hand of the number is 0. If the left hand and the middle digit be interchanged, okay, good, the number is diminished by 180. Okay, so the previous number here 100A plus 10B, and if it will be changed, that means reverse, so it will be 100B plus 10A, and then the condition is 180, diminished by 180. So that is the first condition. Okay, if the number of the second and third digit will be interchanged, so it will be diminished by 180. And if the left hand digit be halved, okay, the middle and the right hand digit be interchanged, the number is diminished by 454. Okay, remember that. If the left hand digit be halved, so here the left hand digit is A, so it will be halved, that means 100 into A by 2, and the middle and the right hand digit be interchanged, so here C, that means 0, so 0 will be now the middle digit, and last one will be here B. Okay, so that means B will be here and C will be here, so 10 into 0 and then B. So it will be diminished, by 454 from the original number. Okay, so this one will be 50, that means 50A plus B. Okay, so now the second condition, the original number, this one, then subtract the new number, and it will be 454. So this one is the first condition and this one is the second condition. So to solve this one, 100A plus 10B minus 100B minus 10, it is okay, so it will be 10A, not only 10, that equal to 180. So 100A minus 90, and here also 90, so 90 common, A minus B, that equal to A 180. So here A minus B equal to 2. Now if A minus B equal to A equal to B plus 2. Clear? And here, now here 100A minus 50A plus 10B minus B, that equal to 454. So it will be 50A plus 50A plus 9B, that equal to 454. Now 50A, instead of A, here A equal to B plus 2, so write down B plus 2 plus 9B, that equal to 454. So here, okay, 50B plus 100, then plus 9B, that equal to 454. So 50 and 50, so it will be 59, and it will be 100 subtracted, so 354. That means here B equal to 354 divided by 59, and that equal to 6. So B equal to 6, then A equal to 6 plus 2, that means A equal to 6 plus 2, so it will be 8. So B equal to 6, A equal to 8. Then the answer, you have to find out the number. So number will be 100 into 8, that means 800 plus 6 into 10, so it will be 60. So 860. So 860 is your answer.